With all the new hydraulic lines and everything assembled, we were able to go ahead and bleed the clutch and the cylinders for the brake system today. They've come out with a new brake fluid. It's the .5, and it's a silicone-based fluid. This is obviously much different than the original brake fluids of the cars, where any brake fluid on a painted surface would remove or destroy the paint if it wasn't wiped up quickly. So we've converted this old system to the new .5. Seems to work really well. Of course, time will tell, but I'm really excited about this new fluid, that it doesn't destroy any painted surfaces. Because obviously when you bleed a new system, you get fluid over everything. Obviously it was really difficult to get in and tighten up the lines on this because they are recessed. So I modified an inexpensive 9/16 box end wrench to be able to reach down inside there and grab those and twist them tight. I know that you can buy these, although one was not readily available to me today, so I just modified an existing wrench to get it tight enough so it doesn't leak. On the final phases of the car now, we're skim coating the body and trying to straighten it so that there's no little ripples in it. This panel here had some big dents in it. It looked like maybe they threw the spare tire in there a couple of times, or it allowed it to bounce, and there was some real heavy bumps on this back panel. Spent the last day skim coating it and sanding it, and my arms are dead, so it'll go on another day.